Welcome to Slide Bazaar's PowerPoint for Pros. In this video, we'll learn how to make this zoom animation slide in PowerPoint. It's really simple to make and barely takes any time. Let's start by inserting an image onto your slide. Make sure the image covers the entire slide. Then, let's insert a rectangle shape that covers the whole slide. We'll go to Shape Outline and select No Outline. Then, right-click the shape and go to Format Shape. And under Fill, choose Gradient Fill. Choose a direction that goes from left to right as shown. And then, we'll delete all the gradient stops except for two at the extreme left and right. For both the gradient stops, we'll choose black. For the gradient stop on the left, we'll dial up the transparency to 100%. And for the one on the right, we'll keep the transparency to around 20%. Now, we'll add the text that we need on the slide. Once the slide is done, go to the sidebar on the left and duplicate the slide by pressing Ctrl+G. On the duplicate, let's delete everything on the slide and insert another image. Then go to the original slide and we'll copy the gradient shape and paste it on the duplicate slide. Then with the shape selected, let's click on Rotate and flip it horizontally. Once that is done, add the text you need. Repeat all these steps 2 more times. Now in the left sidebar, right-click and create a new slide. Choose a background. I've just inserted an image here. And let's drag the slide all the way up to make it the first slide. Then go to Insert, Zoom and select Slide Zoom. Select the slides you just made. Let's resize the slides and position them on your slide however you want. Then, with all the slides selected, in Format Shape, select a shadow preset and tweak the settings. And finally, after all that, here's what the final result will look like. If you like this video, be sure to hit like. For more videos like this, consider subscribing to the channel.